Okay, I've named it Tiny Turbo because it's such a small engine, but turbo. As you can see, it's only 393 cc. I'll show you all the sort of specs on how to build it if you want to build it yourself. Compression is quite low, but everything else is high, like the fuel mixture is maxed out. I checked it, and it's had more power the richer, which isn't always true, but in this case it was. High flow catalytic converter and straight through mufflers on the back. As you can see, up until around 6,500 RPM, the power isn't that great, but over 6,000 RPM, the boost comes in and goes up to 45 PSI at the red line. As you can see, fitting the turbo and the intercooler. Not a massive intercooler, plenty big enough for that engine though. Not a massive exhaust, but it doesn't need to be. No air filters whatsoever, max performance. As you can see, it makes no power at idle. Still makes no power up to about 6,000 RPM, but just over 6,000 RPM you can see the boost starts to come in, and it creates loads of power then. As you can see, the boost flies up to the horsepower. And then that's about it. Just give a bit of a red line. So that's it. Thanks for watching.